Oh my God. Here we go. Yeah, I'm biased towards going short right now. Yep. I'm biased towards going short. สวัสดีครับ สวัสดีครับ สวัสดีหลายคนที่เข้ามาด้วยนะฮะเป็นไงกันบ้างครับวันนี้ Man, man, oh man. I want to say that I don't want to trade. I never feel like this. I haven't I haven't feel like this for a while now. But today is the day that I don't want to trade. That's the feeling I have for today. To be honest. Yeah. Okay. Give me one moment. Just yep. Perfect. Okay. Good, good, good. All right. Yeah, today is the day that I kind of don't want to trade because it's been sideways for the whole day, and then right now it's trying to break that 5100, but will it break? That is a tough question. Like, to be honest, right now, it is a very tough question whether it's gonna break or not. Because if if it's not breaking, it definitely is not going. It's not going up. Right now, it fall down like about 3,000 points so far from the high of 5,100, and it seems like it's just been choosing the direction that it wants to come down. For now. So if you just came in here, please click like, share, subscribe. Let me just grab my phone here. Oof, the price just dropped. Okay, give me a moment. Just gonna try to find. Oh yeah, maybe a little selfie first. Okay, there we go. Just a little selfie before starting off this session. My direction today is gonna be down. My direction today is going to be down. All right now. And hey, how you doing, DJ? How was the meeting with Knight? How was the meeting with Knight? My entry should be around this pullback at around 70 or even 80. Today, to be honest, today I was not looking forward to trade today. To be honest, it just the market has not been as predictable as I would like it to be. So, great, great. Went through trade setup. Great. So my trade setup today is just gonna be waiting for the choose of direction. So first needs to be change of character. It's red, staying under the tunnel, having a short signal. So we are just gonna keep on waiting for that short signal. For today. That's the plan. That's the plan for today. But look at this. 2 minutes, 1,000 point. So be sure to have your lot size be severely reduced. เฮ้ยขอบคุณค่ะน้องมุกขอบคุณมากเลยค่ะถ้าเกิดว่ามีคำถามอะไรเป็นภาษาไทยสามารถถามมาได้เลยนะแต่ว่าพี่จะไลฟ์เป็นภาษาอังกฤษแล้วเดี๋ยวพี่จะมาตอบเป็นไทยเรื่อยๆนะคะ Yeah. So Mook is one of my Thai student here that she is um, getting. I haven't really taken a look at her result today, but it seems like a lot of people is getting slapped left and right. That's all the liquidity sweep has been very hurtful today. I want to use that word. It's been really hurtful today. So um, I have not seen a bad day like this for a while. And to be honest, the fact that it only took like 2 3 minutes to get 1,000 point, that is totally unheard of, especially when it swings sideways. Like sideways for about 1,000 point. I mean, even if I want to place a short order, I don't even know if this long bottoming tail is the spike up or not. This like day like today is the day that I feel like it is a very tough day to trade, to be honest. I saw it ever since this morning. Like last night, there was like a drop from 5,100 down to 5,000, like exact 5,000. So that's like 10,000 point in a single day, and it's in a single day where it spiked and it dropped, which means that when it formed things like this, when you look on the daily chart here, let me just switch you out to this daily chart. It is a doji with a long topping tail, which means today I'm aiming to short the gold right now because when this happened, it actually marks of the end of the basically mark the end of the bull run. But and this is the opinion that has been fighting over this right now, that it's just not letting up. The shot just don't want to come down via the fundamental or any other reason, but technical price action tell us that it should end already, unless of course it actually gone way beyond 5,100, which it has not. So I am going to be biased towards going short today. Short means short selling, so I am basically going to sell right now, but I'm gonna wait for more confirmation. So not gonna do anything too hectic, but I'm going to wait for more confirmation before I actually decide on doing anything. Oh my god. I was gonna say like I wanna wait for some more confirmation and then I'm gonna be selling it, and then at 72 it just dropped like, oh, it's like 600-700 points. And the C shot comes in. I was just like, I'll wait for the reaction here of like 50, 70, and then look at that. My God, this actually gave me a headache, to be honest. Like this really giving me a headache. Why is it not really being uniform at all today? It's just been whipping us out left and right, not even having, not even giving us a chance to sell it at the, usually at even especially with the 1 minute, you will see some kind of like topping tail, some kind of rejection. That's like a price that can break above, and then it just have a nice rejection down. No, like right here today, it just no warning, no nothing at all. The price, like the price is going above 70. Is not even just touching 70. It's just going above 70 and then just fall down right away. So the only way to trade day like today is the breakout trade, and you have to be really quick to move your stop loss down. Nah. Jesus Christ! Look at this. Look at this. I okay. This is not gonna be mark my win here, but I just placed a short order at 70 because just because it it seems like I had to play breakout because of the signal, but I don't think I'd be able to give it the the signal in time. Like it's 1 minute, it's already down. So wow, what a day! What a day! What a day! Now the question becomes, what are we going to play today? Of course, the buy is going to be, for me personally, it's going to be short to the short side. I would say that's going to be a huge support right here at around 50-60. So we'll wait to see if the price can actually went up no more than 50-80, and then we might have a chance to short selling it down. All right. Come on, really? Uh, to be honest, this might be a quick day today. This like today it might be a quick day today. I just want to get one good trade in with a good risk reward. So it will be something like this. I will wait around 75 area right here and have a nice risk reward where I know that it's not going to go anywhere more than 500 points. But I really have to be careful here. I don't want to be caught up in the pullbacks again right after it actually hit one of the level, the resistance level, and then breaking above it. Um, so waiting to short. Let me just write this down. I'm just gonna write this down here. Wait to I'm just gonna say a sell for the simplicity's sake. Wait to sell. Ah, my God. My selling position is already like 120 bucks right now. It's not giving me a moment to think today. It just it just want to do its thing. It just fall, it's fall. It's falling now. Wow, it's really falling now. Hmm. Okay. 50-50 right here. Can we break below that 50-50? I mean, if we can, we're just gonna go follow through on that. Because like it could be a resistance now if it actually break 50-50, because that's a really major play right there. The it's the major level at 50-50. I feel like I have a deja vu here where I seen this kind of act before at around 4,000. And to be honest, if we wait for the pullback, we might not be able to get it. So I gonna have to wait for the entry that it looks good enough, have a 50-50 win rate, but at the same time, when it breaks, you're gonna know right away in about 1 or 2 minutes. I believe that's gonna be the play for today. From what I'm seeing right now, I not I don't think I'm gonna be able to wait for the pullbacks at all. So let's wait for it. If we have pullback, we have a nice short signal, that would be great. Of course, the pullback needs to be not not pulling back so hard. Let's say if it dropped down so fast and then going up at just as fast, it will be it will have a high chance for the for the price to actually break above 50.80. Ah, yeah, I'm definitely shorting today. Now it just all depends on timing where to shorting it. I'm gonna wait for a lot more confirmation before I am yeah, I'm gonna wait for a lot more confirmation before I actually am playing placing my position today. Gonna be very, very patient today. Gonna be extremely patient today. And of course, I don't want to lose. So I'm thinking I could get at least 2,000 point in today. Just need to wait for the right timing because the swing has been very wild. And when that happens, with the nice volatilities, you could actually get more bang for your bucks that way. But you got to be really careful because sometimes it can just reverse on itself. All right. All right. In about half hour, the price action gonna change right here. When the price action changes, I really want to see if it can go past any of these resistance. So first resistance 50.60, second resistance is going to be 50.72, and the third one is going to be 50.80. So let's see this three level where it slowed down and having a short signal. And I'm pretty sure that we might have to enter at that price. So this is the first one, 50.60. Let's see. I think this one is not gonna hold, but I could be wrong. I could I could always be wrong. 50.61 right here. Don't tell me it's gonna go down right now. Don't tell me it's gonna go down right now. 50.60. I'm thinking of doing the 500 point if there's a short signals comes in, and then I'm just going to play this shot right here. Here we go. Ah, nope. Like this is a long topping tail here, and it looks like it. If I were to make judgment, I would say this candle needs to be red. When it's green and break above that, it's invalid. So that little topping tail shooting star candle tell me nothing right now because the price just break above 62 now. So I got nothing. No chance that it will reverse just yet. I think it will go up a little bit more, maybe 68, 72, somewhere around there. I don't think it will reverse just yet. So let's wait for it. I want to see more sign. I want to see more sign from the short signal because right now all the signs are in. When I said all sign, it means that one, it is red. Second, it is staying under the tunnel line, and third, it is forming this high, low, and having the change of character. So I am willing to bet that we are gonna go short, but I just want more confirmation on the sell signal, on the short signal. I want to see a little bit more extended to the upside that you can clearly see the exhaustion on the bull momentum. So I want to see that exhaustion. I feel like I want to get in right here. My God, come on. I want to get in right here at 60. I want to place my short order right here. I want to. I'm not doing it though. It still doesn't show me all the signs that it wants to go down some more. Look, see? Not yet. I don't think it'll break yet. Of course, if it does break, it means that I'm actually going to be missing the boat. In about 60 minutes, we are going to see if the half hour shot is going to change it or not. And let me just take a look at the Forex Factory real quick here, just to make sure that we don't have any news to manipulate the price again. Yeah, we got nothing. We got nothing. We only have the 10 p.m. Manufacturing, CB, consumer confidence. That's tell us nothing. Okay, so just aware that there's a little bit of news at 10 o'clock, but it shouldn't affect that much. All right, here we go at 65. Let it go up some more. Let it go up some more. I want to see it. If it goes up enough, this could work as the huge support area right here at around 50-40 to 50-50. Oh, God. Day like today, oof. Day like today is the day that I just want to get a massage, take a deep breath, and just relax in my bathtub all day. Ah. I'm gonna wait for the 72 right here to see if that can pass the previous high right here. Oh, give me one moment. Here we go. Just need to make sure everything stays excellent. Excelente. Oh, here we go. That's what I'm waiting for. That's the short signal. Let's see. Let's see. That is the short signal. Everything aligned. And I'm gonna wait for one more confirmation, and I'll be taking this right here. You seriously not gonna give me? Really? It's like 1 minute shots. Come on. I'm gonna be tracking it at 50-60 right here. I'm gonna be taking it at 50 at the end of this candle. If it breaking 50-60, I am gonna be shorting it right now. And not yet. I'm waiting for the break of 50-60. It's about to break in about 10 seconds. It's not breaking, it's not breaking, it's not breaking yet. So I'm not taking a trade just yet. Come on, come on, come on, break, break, break 50-60. Come on, break 50-60. Come on, come on, come on. Staying under, it's pretty good now. I want to stay short right here. It's not breaking, guys. It's not breaking. It's not breaking. If it's not breaking like this, I'm going to wait for it to go up to this previous high at around 50, 60, 50, 66 before I'm taking my order. Actually. Oh, here we go. Taking it. I'm taking 50-60 right here. I'm taking my position at 50-60. Oh, come on. Really? Really? This is what I'm saying by it is highly manipulated. I'm taking my position at 50-60, but I have a drawdown of about 1,000 points right now. If you haven't get in yet, don't need to get in right now because the stop loss is going to be 1,000 points up to that 70. Come on. In 1 minute, guys. Stop loss 1,000 points in 1 minute. Come on. Like I'm actually waiting for a break, and then once it actually confirmed the break, I thought that it will that it will actually come down already, and it's not. So right now I am to be honest, I am not getting out just yet. Damn, I know. 1 minute, 1,000 point. This is why I'm saying, like, I have a bad feeling about today, guys. I have bad feelings about today. This is one of those days that is very, very insane right now. So if you I actually come close to my stop loss, but it hasn't stopped me out just yet. It would be a miracle if we did. I cut loss already. Really? Ah, like this is a very very volatile market where, dude, 1 minute is 1 minute is 1,000 point. That's very unheard of, to be honest. That's very unheard of. Like days like today is the day that I would say, if you don't have a large account, take a break. I still haven't get my stop loss yet at 1,000 point, but I haven't sent it. Like I press it and I haven't even sent it out to to the group yet. Jesus. Okay, let me just send it out to this group right now. So now, um, right now, so go at 50.62. What the price is currently. I didn't even said to sell. I didn't even finish typing in, and it already hit my stop loss. Like this is this chart is kind of delayed from the real chart. So wow, I'm still saying to hold if you haven't get kicked out. I'm re-entering the trade right now. I'm actually thinking it's gonna go down right now. I know it's highly manipulative. Like right now, it just swing up and down 1,000 point, sweep everybody out. But if you have a chance right now, get it on the selling position. I don't think that we are going up at all. Right now, it seems like it is the manipulation of going down right now. Like just wipe everybody off before it finally come down. So I am gonna say right now, selling right here at 50, 70. Oh my god. Come on. 50, 60, 65. Yeah. If you got the price at above 50, 65, that's good. Right now it's actually 50, 67. I cut loss already. Yeah, I totally realize that. Like I would re-enter right now because the price got a huge rejection at 50.70 and it doesn't seem like it cannot go up anymore. So I'm going to slow it down. Right now, oh my god, 69.70. I would say if you get it above 65, 66, do it. Do it. And I am going to put a stop loss at around 76. So the new stop loss, no matter how far you're getting it, should be no more than 76 right here. So the reason is because I expected it not to even go past 70 or even 73, which is the previous high. And let's see if it can come down all the way through right now. And if this hit another stop loss today, I don't even know what to say because you got to be kidding me. What the really? Okay, oh my god. Okay. I didn't even give out a signal in my room right now. I didn't even give out a signal in my room right now. It took like 2 minutes, hit SL off like 1,000 point. Almost SL, almost SL again. Oh no. Yep. It's like, it's like, how can it jump 1,000 point in 1 minute? And I thought that that's already enough because there's already a huge pullback here of like 1,000 point, and then it have another 1,000 point up, then another 1,000 point. This form a really good a really good batch of like dealing with the price. So I actually didn't think that it will actually go up any more than this, and now it just jumped another 1,000 points. So it been manipulating from like 60 up to 75 here, going 1,000 point each time. If I can go lower, this is the lowest. Oh no, I don't think I can go lower than the uh one tick. Oh, that's a tick. I just gonna go to down to like 10 seconds. Dude, this is a 10-second. This is the 10-second. It looks like usually the 10 seconds is the 10-second shot doesn't look this neat. This, you know what? This manipulation is insane. I have to say today the manipulation is insane. Usually 1 minute is enough, and now I'm actually going down to like 10 seconds, and I'm surprised how much it is being uniform right now. So let me take a break a little bit. I'm still biased that it's gonna go down, but this wick is insane right here. Actually down to 15 seconds shots right now. And I'm still biased that it's gonna go down. But how it's gonna go down, that's the problem. Okay, here we go again. Fifty 68. 50 68 right here. Selling goal at 57 50 68. Stop loss 50 78. Come on. Okay, you know what? I'm just gonna wait for. I'm not gonna say to sell it yet. I'm just gonna wait for this candle to finish in another 30 seconds. Because how did it manipulate this much? Like swinging 1,000 point within 1 minute, up and down as well. That's the point that pissed me off. That it swing up and down 1,000 point. Wow. Like days like today, what you want to do is having like $10,000, play 0.01 and have no stop loss and be willing to lose like $1,000. That's the day that we have today, which is insane. It's the volatility is manipulated so much that okay, now it's gonna go up right now. It's gonna go up right now. Wow. It's gonna go up right now. I'm not gonna place a sell order. I was about to hit the place the sell order before, and now I'm just like, I don't have anything right now. I don't have anything right now. It's not breaking the low here. It's not doing anything right now. It just keep on gliding the whole way through, making it to the upside after a huge drop from 91 down to 50, which is about 4,000 points, and then now it going up like 3,000 points. Here's what I want to explain about the shot that was easy. Okay, I want to explain what the charts looks like when it was an easy day. A good day when the market is choosing its direction, it will either gonna stay below the turn line or staying above the turn line. And today has been manipulated that it's just going up, down. And when it manipulating like this, I was thinking, okay, maybe I can play it with the swing gold swing structure strategy where if it is too low, then it's gonna go up. Well, here's the thing. This is too low, it actually go up, but then it came down to sweep us off before it actually go up too high. And when I see that, I was like, how you like and this as well. How is this just keep on climbing up right now? The easiest way is that okay, when it's come down like this, it shoots its direction and then it will have a nice pullback where it pull back to this area right here and then it continue to fall down. That's what I'm aiming for. This is not what I'm aiming for today. So I don't know. If you get stopped out by my trade today, I apologize. And like I said at the beginning of the session, today is one of those days where I feel like I don't want to trade today. The manipulation has been very aggressive, and I'm trying to wait for the maximum confirmation here that I won't get manipulated out. So let me explain how my logic works in this first trade that I lose 1,000 point in. So my first trade, I was thinking like, hey, we have this trend line right here. It doesn't seem like it's gonna break, and then everything looks good until right here, and I was like, okay, you know what? We are going to wait for the maximum confirmation, which means we already choose the direction. Everything looks good. We have the short signal. Everything is confirmed. Now we only have the last support with 5060, which I didn't think it's gonna have any problem breaking, but I want to wait for one last confirmation that it's breaking that 5060. So when it finally hit that break of like about 100 points, I was like, that's my signal to get in. The moment I get in is going up like 1,000 points. And I was like, I have all the confirmation. I have the breaking of trend line. I have the short signal. I had all the it's red, it's staying under, it's forming this lower low, lower high. It forms everything, and I can step out in 1 minute. Like I waited for it to actually break as well, and I get stopped out in 1 minute. So not gonna blame the market, but I just want to tell you guys that this is a clear, great lesson here that even with everything combined, that you think that this is it, this is good, you had the right trade, you're still gonna be losing, no matter how good you are. And that's just part of the nature of the market. Like you can never know if you're going to be winning or losing. And if you cannot accept that, my suggestion is you have two options, one or two options. One is you either give up on this market, or two, accept it and learn to live with it, because that's the only two options here. You cannot trying to guess it perfectly correct, saying that there might be some magic strategy out there that will help you win more times and not facing that 1 minute loss, even with all the confirmations. There's no such thing. Even with all the knowledge that you have been studying, maybe 3 to 5 years, all the knowledge that you have been accumulated, and you wait for the most perfect setup, you still never going to get 100% prediction. That's the problem. And when it's days like this that I never going to get the the right prediction at all, I have to just put my hands up and said, I don't know what's going on. I know I said this yesterday, and today is no difference. I have no idea what's going on. I'm still biased towards going short right now. I'm still biased towards going short right now. But I cannot place a short order without a good stop loss. And don't tell me it's gonna break 70 right now. Yeah, now it actually break trend. It actually has short signal, but the short signal come in at like 50-80. I still believe we are going down right now. I still believe that we are going down right now. And it is highly manipulative when at the first candle where it changes to the 9:30 o'clock half hour shot, it just been on high all the way. I mean, I understand if it does want to make one higher high and then come down, but this has gone for almost the whole half hour that it has been manipulated to going to up to that 80. So from 60 up to 1,000 points. Now, if I want to sell it down, I have a question whether that 80 will be enough of a stop loss, or will it go down right here right away? And it just come down right away. Wow. Let's say this is for education sake, but let's say I'm selling right here right now. I'm not saying to sell right here, but let's say I am selling it right here, which is what I'm doing right now. I would have to have a stop loss of way more than 85. Now, 65 stop loss at 85, that means a stop loss of 2,000 points, which means I'm looking to get at least 2,000 points here. So I'm looking to gain not just a few, merely 500 or 1,000 points. 2,000 points would be my first target with this much of a volatility. And I don't know how much loss size that need to be reduced. If you're used to a 500 point stop loss, you might need to reduce the loss size by 4 times, which means let's say you put in like 0.05 loss size, you might need to put in 0.01 just so you don't get stopped out and get swept out like this. And I'm pretty sure right now we are going to go down. And here's the thing though, I'm putting like my whole account size right now. Yeah, you see it in positive right here, but to be honest, I actually get ready to get stopped out before at like almost like $1,000. Like I said, day like today is where you either earn a lot or you lose a lot, because you either gonna be so sure of your bias that you don't have put a stop loss on, and if your bias is not correct, like let's say you guess the bias wrong, then you're gonna lose like $1,000, and some people might even blow your account. So as a beginner, if you are playing this for 1 or 2 years, just so you know, go with the plan. If you have more than 2 or 3 stop loss for the day, don't trade today. There are ways to earn money from this market, and pro trader will earn a lot, but they know the risk as well. And when we give advice to beginner traders, this is a day where you close the account, close the application, maybe just uninstall your MT5 for the day, just remove it from your home page, because it is the day where it is highly manipulated, and you need to be willing to lose a lot to gain a lot, and your bias need to be correct as well. And I don't want you to face that at the beginning stage, where you're not your bias is good, like you read the market semi correct, and then you boost your ego saying that I am always correct, so I'm not going to put a stop loss at all. That's not what I want to happen, because even though we don't put a stop loss on, we still have a stop loss, like a mental stop, where we say that okay, we wait for 15 minutes, half an hour. If it doesn't go our way, we definitely gonna cut our losses at like $1,000 or $2,000. But if um like that's like a timing as well of waiting, and that is the manipulation as well. But if you want an easy game, which easy game already earn you good money, I would say that start out with hitting 3 stop losses, take a break from today. If you hit 3 stop loss already, take a break. This is not your day. You don't have the arsenal, the knowledge enough to actually survive in this market. Like you know how like a good basketball players or tennis players will be able to manipulate their position out of the ordinary way of teaching how to play, and they can make an impossible shot happen. Take a break today. Yes, I would highly suggest take a break today. Like today is not the day you want to lose your money on. People will be losing their whole account today. I'm 100% positive there will be people who lose their whole account today. And there will be players who get who remove their stop loss, earning their money back, and said, hey, I shouldn't have a stop loss because this is how I earn money. And then they will you know, get the trend where they blew their account either way. So market, I wouldn't say this is what I want to tell you the truth about the market. The market is very hostile. The market will teach you that the things that you known doesn't work today. That's how they get sweep a lot of traders out. The textbook play is not always going to work out. That's why we have the win rate, the risk reward, everything to help you to see that you're not going to win every day. Yeah, back to tennis, right? Take a break today. Yeah, take a break today. Once you hit your maximum stop loss for the day, that's just one day. It's not always going to be like this. Just so you know, it's like the weather. You know, you have a thunderstorm, you have like a hurricane, you have a monsoon, something that like there are days that you shouldn't be going out, but most of the days you will be able to go play tennis, go play golf, what have you, right? That's most days. But day like today is the day where you want to stay inside. You don't want to get yourself caught up in this manipulation. And right now, actually up $500, and I'm going to close the whole thing because I don't want to risk anymore, especially gonna change the hour here. Gonna leave only about 2 position open. Yeah, I'm gonna leave only like 2 position open to see if I get any more out of this. But I try to reduce risk as much as I can. Put a stop loss at break even whenever I can. Because days like today is a day where it's really hard to play traditional way. Days like today is like here's if you're gonna play one last trade today. If you're gonna play one last trade today, wait 3 more minutes and then it will start the next hour. Once that next hour comes in, wait for it to manipulate it upward and then downward to pass that mark, because I know for sure now that we have one uh two manipulating candles, we definitely are going down. So this is going to be my one last trade for the day. A second. This is going to be my last trade for the day. I'm going to be selling, but I'm going to be selling when it actually pull back up in the next hour, which means in about 1 minute, I'm going to wait for this pullback to that 50-70. Then I am going to be waiting for confirmation that it wants to come down. Then I will play a short order right here. I'm going to stop loss at previous high, which is basically 85. So 1500 points. This is day like today is where you're going to lose a lot of money if you don't manage your lot size well. So here is the start of the 10 o'clock hours, and I want to see it go up all the way up to that 50-70. I want to see it go all the way up to that 50-70. And once it reached 50-70, don't tell me it's going to go down right away. Yeah, it is. It is about to come down right away. Because it's breaking 50-50 already. I will wait until I see a clear sign that it is going up to that 50-60, and then I'll be selling it down. If at all possible, I want to see it at least 50-70. 50-70 is where I would be. It would be my ideal entry at 50-70. So right now it's at 50-60. Let's wait for it. I don't think it's gonna stop at 50-60. Let's wait for it. Yeah, that's long signal. Let's buy signal right here. Or wait for it to go up a little bit more. 50, 70, possibly 71. If I can, that would be much better. Go, go, go. Let's see. Let's see. It's going up right now. 50, 71. Come on. This is my last trade of the day, guys. It's about to hit 50, 71. If it's not, I am going to be selling it right here, 50, 61. Here we go. It's going to go up to that 50, 71. And don't, once it hit, don't rush to sell it. I want to see more confirmation that it won't go up some more. Then I'll be selling it. Don't sell it just because it hits 50, 71, okay? I want to see that it kind of wait a little bit before it wants to come down. Don't rush into this at all. Like, don't rush into this at all. I don't think it's gonna give me 71 right now. It's just barely staying above 65. Come on. Okay. It's not getting me to that 71 area right now. Nope. It's not giving me, it's not giving me 71. If this candle cannot go up above 65, I will place a short order right here. Oh, no, no, it's gonna go up. It's gonna go up. It's gonna go up. It's gonna go up. Let's see at 71. I want to see the price get up to that 71 area. Getting closer, getting closer, getting closer. Let's see how this order finishes. Come on. Okay. I don't think I'm gonna be able to get the 65. Okay, 65. I'm gonna get the order at 65 right now. selling at 65 right here. If you haven't sold it, actually got 66 right now. Actually got 66 right now, selling right now at 56. Stop loss of 1,000 point because it's a day like today. All right, last trade of the day. If it blows up, it blows up. 50.66, sell go, 50.66, stop loss, 50.76, target would be 50, 56, sorry, 50.51, and then target here would be 50.31. There we go. Okay. Sell now. Sell now at 50.66 right here. I'm just shaking my head right now. To be honest, I'm just shaking my head right now on this the day like today. Okay, so here we go. This is my last day for the day. 50.66. Selling it. Post it on the group. Things looks good right now. Let's see if we can get it. Let's see if we can get this on this breaking down right now. We are selling it at 50.66 right there. 50.66. We want at least 1,500 points, at least just to recover what we have lost today. That's our first target at 51. And if it does break down below, which I believe it will, we are going to have our target, second target being down all the way to 50.31 right here. Here we go. All right, here we go. Dude, look at this manipulation right here. It already went down like 600 points in like a minute. So if it can continue to actually come down below that, we'll see what happens here. I want at least that it coming down 2,000 points if it's possible. But first target is going to be at 51, which is basically 1,500 points, which means that we are going to erase our first few trades of losses, but it's still not going to make us up to that break even yet. So let's wait and see. And of course, if we actually get blue out from this, accept it, and let's just end the day for today. I don't want to play and risk trading through the storm when the market's not going to give us anything to work with. Okay, here we go. Like if somehow the price went all the way up, then we are gonna be done with this trade today. Like my suggestion today is play with the lowest lot size as possible. Play with the lowest lot size possible because the fact that it moved 1,000 point in 1 minute, where it usually moves no more than 200 to 300 on a largely swinging day, that tells me that the market is not being very normal today. The market is not normal today. So big things are coming for sure. That's why they liquidate a lot of retail traders just to make the volume lighter for future manipulation. So I don't know if that future manipulation is going to be up or down. Could be up, could be going up some more. So right now I'm waiting for the break of 60. If it can break 60, we are going to wait for 51. Here we go. Here we go, guys. Waiting for the break. Now it's broke 60. Let's see if it can stay down now. It's going to come down to that our first target at 51 right here. This is our first resistance. First support. So let's see if it can come down. It actually went down in like a couple minutes here. So let's see if it can come down in another minute at 51 right now. If we take this out, this is going to be the trade that make it all back. Here we go. Here we go at 51. Come closer right now. And come on, 51. You can do it. You can do it. Here we go. Here we go. Come on. 51. You can do this. Don't tell me it's going to stall it there. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on, guys. Come on. Come on. Here we go. Here we go. 51. Gonna say this is first target reach. And hit it. Hit it. Okay, you know what, guys? If you want to, you can take this off right now because we have to actually risk of it not going through that 51 area. But I'm thinking another 200 point, it should be able to get that 61. Come on. Come on. Oh, come on. So close. So close. So close to that 51. Right here is our first target right now. Right here. It's so close coming to that first 51, and then it just not have the strength to actually break through that. Now, if you haven't closed your position here, I would say take this target off, because if it does break to that 51, it will break all the way down. And if you want it to be sure and secured, you might want to move your position, your target to that 53. That's because that's become a support already. Like we can clearly see now that this is a support. But my God, it swings like 1,000 point every 2 minutes here. Whoa, dude, no, no, no way. It almost hit our first target and then it just jumped. Like, no way. It just jumped like 300 point, like 1,000 point. And I don't want to. Now it's gonna go up. If it break beyond 70, we have no hope here. If it break beyond 70, yep, it's break beyond 70 now. I barely have any hope. Right now, just hoping that it is not gonna hit our stop loss right now. It's staying above 70, guys. It's gonna go up. It's gonna go up. Let's wait for a 1 minute candle finish, and then we are gonna be closing this trade right here at maybe like 500 point loss. I'll wait 18 more seconds to see if this can come down to being a red candles. But if it cannot become a red candle, it's become a green candle, I'm gonna be stop out at maybe 700-800, maybe less than 1,000 points for sure. I have no hope for this. Yeah, see, right now I have no hope for this. I'm done. I'm done with this trade. I'm done with this trade, guys. Like how did it like come down, almost hit my target, and then it just keep going up in like 3 minutes? I don't understand that at all. Okay, stop out. Get stopped out. I don't want to wait. I don't want to wait to see if it gonna press like going beyond that. Like it, we have, here's the thing right here when I said I have no hope, because it need to first break the 70, which is basically a nice round number, breaking the trend line, which is basically shouldn't breaking in the first place. Let's see, you can see right here it leaving this topping tail, and then it just keep on coming down, and you can see a lot of evidence that it should not breaking. Oh, come on, really? Right now I feel like I'm bipolar right now because I'm just flipping left and right, left and right. The manipulation is um not what I'm expected at all today. Well, I guess we wait. Since we didn't get the 76, since we didn't hit the 76, I guess we wait. Now that we see the red candle here, I guess we wait. Should we hold or cut losses? For now, it does look good. It's almost 50-50 at this point. You could cut loss now, or you could wait for it to fall down. But if it fall down, don't expect it to go all the way down now. I expect it to go no more than 61. So the risk is not really worth the reward anymore. Um, yeah, right now with this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 candles with going up, if it come down to slightly break even or even like 200-300 points positive, I would say just take it. Just take it, because like it's not, I didn't expect this to happen. 3 minutes going up like 2,000 points. I didn't expect this to happen at all. Just so you know, back before it reached this all-time high, a 503 to 500 point move in one single minute candle is rare, and it is something that we are saying, wow, we are gonna see a big guys coming in that having the momentum, either bull or bear, having the momentum that gonna keep going that way the whole day. We saw that as a sign that the big players is coming in, and now I don't even know what this is. It's like 5 minutes jump 2,000 point without choosing a direction. So I don't even know what direction it wants to take anymore. It could go up, it could go down. Yeah, like this is the end of the first month. That's why I was saying the other day that once I'm actually hitting a really nice streak, this week would be the week that I don't even want to play. I feel like this kind of manipulation will be coming, and it is. It is. Totally is. So right now, if the price cannot come down below 66, I would say cut your losses. It leave like, look at this. Look at how many bottoming tail it leaves. So if this is all the bottoming tail it trying to go below, and it cannot go below after this candle, cannot break even 70, the next candle gonna very likely that gonna go up. It's very likely gonna go up in this candle. Of course, I don't know the future. I could be wrong, but because that's like 1, 2, 3, 4 minutes candle that it cannot break 70, it is very unlikely that this candle will. Of course, if it does break, close it. You don't want to having your money at risk on day like today. That's my 2 cents on it though. Of course, in reality, where especially if you have an order, just set your stop loss to 76 at least. If you said if let's say you said that it you think that it will come down, at least have a stop loss at 76. So either way, you're not gonna get lose more than 1,000 point. I'm actually expecting to lose on this one because it did go my way, but didn't carry through. Didn't even reach my first target, which should be 51, and then it just went all the way up. And when it went all the way up, at this point, I have no idea. I didn't even put my stop loss at break even in time. Usually, when it come this close, I will put my stop loss at break even so that it uh whatever case happen, it will be at break even. But at this point, I cannot make the decision in time because it's only 3 minutes, and now I'm getting stopped out. See, this is what I mean. This is what I mean, guys, by saying that don't hold your hopes up for this kind of trade. And I hope many of you guys did get this almost 1,500 points because we are looking really good here, and then we just had that last 100 point that we didn't get, and only about 3 minutes it manipulated all the way up. But to be honest, I did not like losing, and day like today, I've been I've been playing the manipulation throughout the day, and I don't have a good feeling today at all. And that's my real honesty. If it come down right here, I gonna be finishing this live session pretty soon and go kickboxing somewhere. My God. It's like it stop hunt every single one of my stop losses. And that's even with 1,000 point of stop loss. I wait for the confirmation. I wait for the nice rejection candle as well. And to think that it still wiped me out. That's when I said, "You're not gonna take any more of my money today. I'm done." That's today. Tomorrow will be the better day. It's like a nice day after a storm, you know. But yesterday and today, these are the days that I don't want to trade at all. I actually seen it since this morning too, and I was thinking like I I shouldn't get to trading session today. But I have a duty to come in on the live trade session so to guide, and I was not feeling confident about the formation that it's gonna have on the chart at all today. And sorry, DJ, but you are coming to the time where it is all-time high, highly manipulated. No, it's like a no man's land where the market is unpredictable. This has happened maybe only like less than 5% of the market, where you have to just take your losses, say this is one of those bad days, and then just quit. If you try to make money off this market, you won't be able to, and you really likely blew your account. Man, if it come down, I'm gonna so kick myself right here. Like, how did it not fall after this? Right after the first manipulation, that's the lower high already. Need to be breaking this low first, and then it almost touches it, and then just come up to hit my stop loss. Still making the lower high, but not, but breaking this previous high already, and I was just left myself hanging right now. What did you do to me? That's the question I want to ask. Like, how how can you be so cruel? Oh God, but that's chart has no feelings. Trust me, chart has no feeling. And the day like today is where a lot of players are coming in. It's very chaotic. Maybe there is a rush to close at the end of the month, or something that's gonna happen with Trump's. I have no idea. All I know is there's a lot of panic in the market. The market doesn't choose the direction, and the volume has been very high, that it's swinging 1,000 point up and down, almost as if there's only retail traders, but a heavy player retail traders. That's what this market is doing right now. So it swept a lot of major players, sorry, a lot of retail traders today. Here's the thing though, I asked most of my friends, they said the same thing. Today is not a good day for me. Today is not a good day for me. And I just have a feeling that, like, oh my God, what am I? Um, am I gonna have a bad day today? And of course, I do have a bad day today. Jesus, how did I not get my target here and then just get whipped out here? Just nod and shake my head. Like, yep, okay. One of those days. One of those days. Are you still here, by the way, DJ? Because if you if you still holding this position, yeah, you still stop loss is gonna be 80. If you're still holding this position, but I suggest that you should stop out right now. Just close it. I'm pretty much done for the day, by the way. Yes, still here. Wow. Yeah, that's not gonna be anything new here. That's not gonna be anything new. I'm kind of waiting to see if there will be a big shock coming on that drop the price down, but I highly doubt it. I seriously highly doubt it. Like, it didn't even break 51 three times, and that would be the triple bottom, where it come once, twice, third time, and now if it break over this high at 81, all-time high again, get stop out now. Yep, just just stop out for the day, guys. Even if I came up with another 10 plan, I don't think I'm gonna be winning today. Like I could say that I'm buying right here, and then I am, and I'm still gonna end up losing because it might just manipulate it down and then go up. Days like today is the day that you have to accept your losses. Just like when you playing a game on an impossible mode. That's today. So with that, without further ado, I am going to close everything right here. Not even gonna try. I'm not even gonna try. And let's wait and see here. I'm gonna wait for a few minutes and see if it break 80 right here. It's gonna go all the way up right now. And if it doesn't, don't expect that it's gonna fall all the way down though. It's not. It cannot break 53 times in the next in the for the last 3 hours. I highly doubt it's gonna break it in the next couple more hours where the price where the volume is pretty much died off. The reason why I select between 8 to 11 is because that's when the Nasdaq market open. That's when there's maximum volume. That's when a lot of retails, both retail and institution traders, are waiting to play in this hour. So if it is beyond 11, I highly doubt that we are gonna get any more action in. And of course, not to say that there won't be any action at all. There will always be play to be had, but I'm not comfortable playing with the volume that's so low that it either going to be a manipulation or uh, basically sideways without breaking in any directions. So with that, I'm signing off. And tomorrow is Wednesday. This is only Tuesday. Tomorrow is Wednesday, and then it's gonna be Thursday. I'm still thinking, how am I gonna recover from this? Oh wow. No man's land. Truly, truly no man's land. How many stop out did you have today, DJ? I gotta be honest. I think I lose way over a couple $100 today. Way over. I think I'm pushing like 300 right now. Just shaking my head. I have a feeling that with these manipulations, this right here, breaking off, thinking that it's gonna go down. It's not going up right here, breaking above, forming the um, forming the consolidation, and then breaking out at 5100, going maybe even beyond that, maybe going up to the 6,000. The price will keep on rising as long as there demands, and gold has always been in demands. So you never know what's gonna happen next. The price could just keep on climbing higher without ever dropping. That's what I'm thinking. Okay, well, not gonna be able to play now. So I am signing off. So thank you everyone for coming into my live streaming today. But I gotta tell you that this is one of those days where I could not predict the market at all. Yeah, truly. So my apologize, but I don't, like I said, I don't have crystal balls. I wish I had so that I can actually know the future for sure. But that's the thing. My guess is always 50-50. And days like today where the price did not fall into my patterns, it looks like it almost fall into my pattern, but it's not, then I would have to accept that I'm not gonna make money today at all, even if I'm keep on playing. So thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys tomorrow at 9 p.m. Same time tomorrow. For now, I'm signing off and I just want to see how this trade, like if it can just breaking above 5100 today. I really want to see this. I feel like that's one more manipulation comes in that it can break 5100 and just shoot up way beyond that. So, but I digress. Anyway, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Have a good one. See you at 9 o'clock. Have a good one, DJ. I should get this. Oh,